Here we are, another beautiful day. Finally got home from work. I left that dirt over there, left it out last night in that pile how I dumped it, so that hopefully it would dry out a little bit today. I'm gonna go over and shove it up. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I'd prefer to not have soupy clay left in my yard over there, so I'm gonna try to clean that up, take the tractor over, and I might go back up and just try to touch up a little bit more on the track up there, see how it looks. We'll see how that goes. I will get the tractor out here in just a minute and go push this up. We'll be back. Got the hooligans out here, start the night off. They're a little rambunctious this evening, ready to play. I hate to tell them, but we gotta do some work. We'll have to dump trailer up to the Dodge so I can leave it hooked up. Try to get some more of this dirt out from back here behind this trailer here and this trailer here. See if I can get some of this dirt moved out. Again, slow process I guess, but we'll get it done. We'll do that next and see what we can get done from there. Guess I lied about using the Dodge on that one. It doesn't want to start right now. Well, alright, change of plans. So I'm going to hook the Chevy up to it for tonight. At least get a load out of here. See, you decided to take a bath. Acts like it's hot out here or something.
gonna go tell you something? I'm gonna tell you bye.
Huh?
Bye.
Bye. Have a good practice.
Bye.
Bye. tonight. Might be again Thursday. Maybe tomorrow. Not sure yet. I'm gonna think about this a little bit. I need to try to get the fabric over there. Over behind this trailer. Need to get it loose. And get all this out of here. I'd like to get this pulled over there. Then I can clean up all this dirt. Like I said, this year I kind of caused it myself. Tried to save the hill from falling, and I think when I pinned it on top that it caused it to fall. So, lesson learned. Live and you learn. Now I caused more work for myself, but it is what it is. Just gotta clean it up. Trying to salvage this fabric as much as I can. So far this piece here looks like it has one rip in it. I can't really tell exactly how bad it is yet until I get this side over here pulled out, which I might try to do that with the excavator and reach over and just grab it and pull it this way and get that dirt loosened up off of it. I can get this dirt out of here, and then I can regrade and re-level this and get it back where it belongs. But I would say there's a lot more dirt in here than I thought there was. I was thinking only about a triaxle wood, but I've taken 10 ton out of there already. And it looks to be about 4 times as much of that to go. So, I mean, the good news is, like I told my wife, we can back the garage up another 1.5 feet now. We'll line it up with the back of the wall. So, we'll get all of it fixed. I just got to get to moving some dirt. But we will reconvene tomorrow.